Hey everyone, I'm Selena. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm pumped to talk about the Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender Bundle, a powerhouse kitchen tool that's perfect for smoothies, soups, and so much more. If you're ready to level up your blending game, stick around to see why this might be your next must-have. Let's dive into the features. This Vitamix Immersion Blender comes with a should-be 625-watt motor, strong enough to tackle tough ingredients like frozen fruit and leafy greens. It has 5 speed settings, so you can fine-tune your blend for everything from chunky salsas to silky purees. The bundle includes a whisk attachment for whipping cream or mixing batters, a 3-cup mini chopper for salsas and dips, and a 32-ounce blending jar with a lid for storing your creations. The 4-pronged blade and plastic bell guard prevent scratches on pots and pans, and the 5-foot cord gives you plenty of room to move. It's designed to blend in any container with a 3-inch or wider opening like a mason jar or Dutch oven. Now the pros. This blender is incredibly powerful, pureeing soups and smoothies in seconds with a creamy texture that's hard to beat. The 5 speeds offer great control, and the included attachments make it a versatile all-in-one tool. Think hummus, whipped cream, or even baby food. It's easy to clean. With a detachable blending arm you can wash by hand, and the sturdy stainless steel build feels built to last. Customers love how it saves counter space compared to a full-size blender, and the 3-year warranty adds peace of mind. At around $190, it's a solid investment for Vitamix quality. On the con side, it's a bit heavy at 2.9 pounds, which might cause fatigue during longer blending sessions. The bundle doesn't include a storage case, which would have been nice for keeping everything organized. It's also not great for small servings due to its powerful vortex, which can splatter in tiny containers. Lastly, it's pricier than some competitors, so budget shoppers might hesitate. Who's this for? If you love cooking and want a versatile, high-performance blender for soups, smoothies, or small batch prep, this bundle is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for home cooks who value quality and don't mind the price for a tool that can replace multiple gadgets. If you only blend small portions or need a cheaper option, a basic model might work better. Want to check it out? Click the link in the description to grab the Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender Bundle at the best price through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional pricing, so don't miss out. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Rick's Review Hub for more honest kitchen gear reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.